First of all, using words of the Bible as motivation. As a Christian, it is not enough just to believe. It has to be expressed. It has to be actively sought. Here are some ways I strive to demonstrate my love for God and others. Here are some ways I strive to demonstrate my love for God and others. I make it my duty to take time to perform acts of love and kindness on the people I interact with, including friends, family, and strangers. I think this is a proper way to relate with people and be penciled as showing love and mercy to fellow human beings. To the best of my capability, I do my best to ensure that I preach the word of the Lord to fellow people and persons. My prayer is that I may live out the idea of God's grace to the maximum by demonstrating it in my life. Prayer is very essential in my everyday life. I want to elaborate my spiritual communication with God by praying and reading the scripture on a regular basis. I want to examine the Bible and learn how to apply it into my everyday life. Of course, I think that this strengthens my faith and makes me become more Christ-like. Going to the church and being with people of like-minded is very important to me. I get encouragement and support of my fellow brethren in the Lord. Forgiveness and mercy are two qualities which are dear to me as a believer. The best thing I try to practice forgiveness and show the same mercy as I've been shown by God Himself. The framework for action must be provided by integrity. In this endeavor, I am seeking to be truthful, upright, and of good moral standing in every part of my life, hence being a reflection of God's character. I think that everyone has specific skills that he or she possesses, and I do my best to apply those skills to help people and to glorify God. Gratefulness in general is an important virtue of all the major religions of the world. It is my desire to be able to thank God for what He has given me, as well as thank other people. Also, I seek to endure through personal or circumstantial difficulties, because God remains in control and is still good even though things at times do not seem so. In doing these, I long to show my love towards God and towards people, so that others may also show appreciation and love towards these too.